there, I'm Casey. Today, I'm here with my groupmates Christian and Elaine, and we will discuss the reasons behind the 3 questions about water.
We all know that water is one of the most valuable resources on Earth. It is the reason why life exists on our planet. Apart from being a fundamental necessity for human life, water has huge importance for the environment and the ecosystem as a whole.
I agree to that. Water is not just any substance, it is the key to our very existence. However, have you ever wondered why water evaporates without boiling? Why do oils have higher boiling point than water? And why does ice float on water?
Liquid water is made up of molecules of H2O or dihydrogen oxide attracted to one another by intermolecular forces known as hydrogen bonds. These are relatively weak, and there are some water molecules whizzing around with enough energy to break free of their neighbors, even at temperatures below 100 degrees Celsius, which is its boiling point.
So, why does water evaporate without boiling?
When water is heated, some of its molecules move rapidly so that they escape into the air, causing the water to evaporate. Water doesn't need an additional energy source to reach its boiling point in order to evaporate. Even before it reaches its boiling point, water can evaporate. How about oils? Why do oils have higher boiling point than water?
Triglycerides mixtures make up cooking oils. They are made of extremely long hydrocarbon chains. The chain typically has between 12 and 18 carbon atoms, which gives a lot of electrons around the atoms to participate in the London dispersion force attraction.
In order to increase the attraction between the triglycerides, these long chains might also align or stack tightly together. A hydrocarbon chain's boiling point increases as the number of carbon atoms in the chain increases. As a result, the boiling point becomes so high as to exceed the 100 degrees Celsius value of water.
The reason that different liquids boil at different temperatures is because of the chemical bonds that hold them together. So, when I say that oil has a higher boiling point than water, what I am actually saying is that the chemical bonds that hold oil together are stronger than the ones holding the water together. It takes more heat to break them apart. The main reason for this is that the oil molecules are much bigger, so each one has more surface to stick to the other ones.
So the third question is, why does ice float on water?
The examples of this is when we put ice cubes in a glass of water. So why does ice float on water, and how does this happen? Friction forces between the oxygen atoms of one ice cube and the hydrogen atoms of the water molecules in the surrounding layer of water are what allow water to maintain an ice cube. This is sometimes referred to as the hydrogen bond.
The intermolecular interactions between water and ice are sufficiently strong to cause ice to float above water. Because of the strong attraction between the oxygen and the hydrogen bonds in water, ice has a structure that allows it to float on the water surface. So the question is, how does ice float?
The water molecule consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, and it is known as H2O. The most important fact about water is that it consists of 2 atoms, a proton and an electron. These 2 atoms attract each other, allowing the water molecule to form a structure.
The water molecule is capable of forming a strong bond with another. The ice is less dense than the water, so the ice rises and floats to the top. It flows in water.
So this is the end of our presentation. We are hoping that you have learned something in this video. Thank you for watching!